Hello and welcome back to Code Cloud and DevOps Ask Me Anything. My name is Dara and I got yet another question. And the question goes thus: do Nigerian based DevOps engineers get foreign gigs? Great question, and thanks very much for asking. Now, I'm gonna be very honest with you and plain here. I do not currently know the landscape of DevOps engineering in Nigeria. But while I was there, the truth of the matter is, how you get foreign gigs, either you're in Nigeria or outside of Nigeria, is pretty much the same way. It's all about online visibility. It's all about what you put out there online. So, for example, I know I've done some contract projects while I was in Nigeria for foreign companies, and they were actually very profitable. So yes, you can be discovered and you can get foreign gigs. That is a simple answer to the question. But then, given the fact of and this is a sad truth, of the reputation of the country, our country, in the internet space, it is hard to get such. But for those who are extremely good and have a solid portfolio, it is definitely 100% possible. I know a couple of my friends who actually do foreign gigs based in Nigeria, and they're doing very fine, either as software engineers or DevOps engineers or as project managers, and they get that comfort of actually working 100% remote, earning dollars, spending naira, which I think is actually really good also. So the short answer to the question is really, yes, it is possible to get foreign gigs as DevOps engineers in Nigeria, or as some people might call it professionally, projects to work on. Now, how do you then, I think the better question to ask would be, how do you then project yourself? How do you place yourself to be able to get those gigs? And I mentioned this quite often in posts I make, in videos I make, like, you want to make yourself really visible. Projects you have done that you can share publicly, that are not under NDA. Even those that are under NDA, you can find a way to abstract the NDA bit of it, of course with the consent of those you did the project with. So put yourself online. It's good you're doing great projects, but if no one sees it, no one will know. I watched the videos and sent it to one of my very good friends. There's a part of being humble, and there's a part of being too humble. So there's humility and there's being too humble, where you do great stuff, but then you don't want to be proud. That is fine. But then you should then not be proud, not proud, to the point where you miss out on opportunities because you are not putting your voice out there. So if you can do amazing things with Azure DevOps, tell the world about it. On your Twitter profile, on your LinkedIn, tell the world, I am amazing in DevOps. I can make magic happen with DevOps. This is what I can do. This is what I have done. And I can help your organization with this. Put yourself out there. Make Twitter posts that, hey, you're available for foreign gigs. The thing is, most of the people that actually get these things, they are people that speak up online to say, hey, this is what I'm doing. And one thing you also want to do is connect with people who are doing what you want to do, who are that place where you want to be at. So when you connect with them, they share experiences with you, you are in their circle, you're in their network, opportunities that come to them will find their ways to you also. That is the way I would approach. So for example, if I want to be an AWS expert today, I know I'm not an AWS expert by any standard. I don't even know the fundamentals of AWS. But if I wanted to learn AWS today, maybe I might actually have to. If I wanted to learn AWS today, I would connect with people who do AWS. Currently, I know my friends who actually do AWS currently. I'll connect with them, get the experiences working with AWS, and start learning. When I have questions, I post it to them. Now, watch this. If I have questions on DevOps, if I want to do foreign gigs, I connect with people doing foreign gigs. I'm almost certainly pretty sure you have friends who do this. And if not, you can find people online. By expanding your network, you can find people, at least 3 people from you will be doing that, and then you can ask them questions on how they approached it. I'm not a great pro at this on foreign gigs. I mostly do things that are local in my country, and then I get sent out sometimes to do stuff like that. But my voice is global. So connect with those who actually do what you want to do, ask them questions, and also keep your eyes open. Make noise about what you do. Not useful noise, not unnecessary noise, but make the right amount of noise. Let your voice be heard online. Let people know what you can do, and that way the opportunities will start coming to you. Now, I'm going to tell you this for an example. Most of the side gigs I do, they come through people discovering my voice online. I have my day job, but then I do some extra things outside of my work time where I make extra money. And this only came through people discovering me online. On LinkedIn, I see messages like, hey, are you available to do this? And then we communicate, we agree on the deal, boom, we're off to go. And this might be in country, might be out the country, might be anywhere in the world. So essentially, you want to put your voice out there, you want to share your experience. And then one thing that also helps is giving back. So as you contribute in communities, opportunities just trickle to you. That is a simple way it works. Opportunities trickle to you, to your friends, through community forums, and all these kind of things. And that is where you actually get these foreign gigs. And not to waste so much of our time, and I hope this answered your question to a good extent maybe. And if you have further questions, you can still post them in the video comments, or you can use the link shown on your screen right now to actually ask the question. And you can use the QR code showing also on your screen. Yeah, the QR code showing on your screen right about now. And I will get to answering them if you have further questions on this one. And remember, if you enjoyed this video so far, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any further videos like this one. Until I come your way again with yet another video, stay safe and goodbye.